How to create custom pipe directive and custom component directive? Here is an example of a custom pipe directive in Angular. Step 1. Create a new file and name it mypipe.pipe.ts. Step 2. Import the required dependencies. Step 3. Add the @pipe decorator to your class and specify the name for your pipe. In this example, we are creating a pipe with the name mypipe. Step 4. Define the transform method to implement the logic of your pipe. In this example, we are converting a string to uppercase. Step 5. Export the class. Once you have created your pipe, you can use it in your templates like this. This will apply the mypipe pipe to the myString variable and convert it to uppercase. You can also chain multiple pipes together. This will apply both mypipe1 and mypipe2 to the myString variable in sequence. Here is an example of a custom component directive in Angular. Step 1. Create a new file and name it mycomponent.directive.ts. Step 2. Import the required dependencies. Step 3. Add the @directive decorator to your class and specify the selector for your directive. In this example, we are creating a component directive with the selector myComponent. Step 4. Define the constructor and inject the component factory resolver and view container ref services. Step 5. Implement the ngif method, which will be called when the directive is initialized. In this example, we are creating a new instance of the myComponent component and adding it to the view. Step 6. Export the class. Once you have created your directive, you can use it in your templates like this. This will apply the directive to the myComponent element and create a new instance of the myComponent component within the view. The myComponent component should be defined in a separate file, for example my.component.ts. For more videos Angular interview question, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon.